Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to start third exercise concepts. So let us see in permutations and combinations. So we know last class we spoke some more things, important things we have to discuss. The first one, permutation. Permutation means selection and then arrangement. Combination means only selection. To formulas, everything is completed. Now I will continue the little bit variety model questions. So let us take the problem. Find the number of, take the question. Find the number of 5-letter words find the number of 5-letter words that can be formed using the letters of the word consider. And I will have continued this one. How many of them begin with C? Second one, how many of them end with R? How many of them begin with C and end with R? So like they are asking different variety questions in exam. Okay? So first question is very easy question. So there are 3 to 4 questions are there in the given statement. In exam, any one of the question is asking. Okay, I covered all type of questions here. Find the number of 5-letter words that can be formed using letters of the word consider. How many of them begin with C? How many of them end with R? How many of them begin with C and end with R? So to solve these questions, so what to do? Firstly, we have to take number of letters in the word consider. So what are the number of letters? Number of letters in the given word. In the word consider. CONSIDER is equal to, count the numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So total number of letters in the word consider is equal to 8. Okay? So now 5-letter words. So we have to form 5-letter words only. So directly according to formula I will follow that. So the number of arrangements five-letter words only. So if you want diagram, this is only black diagram. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5-letter words only required. Total how many letters? 5. 8. So we have to fill how many? So this can be written as according to formula 8P5. So out of 8 we select 5 only. So this is also some people they can do it like this. According to formula, first 5 letters are selected and then arranging 5 blanks in 5 factorial ways. So we can do like this also. Okay, the number of arrangements taking 5 letters, taking 5 letters, the number of arrangements taking 5 letters at a time. At a time. So out of 8 here, that is equal to at a time out of 8. This is equal to, we should write firstly selection. Out of 8 I selected 5. 8C5 into arrange 5 values. So how many ways I fill here? 5 of 3, that is nothing but arrange 5 objects in 5 factorial ways. This is also nothing but 8P5 in permutations according to formula NCR into R factorial is equal to NCR into R factorial is equal to NPR. 8P5 also correct. This is the answer of this one using formula method, or else we can do it the lag diagram. So using counting principle also we are getting same answer. Now the question number 1, how many of them begin with C? Next I take the words begin with C. So words begin with C means here, so we need 5 positions. So the word must begin with C. If the word begin with C, that means so we have to fill C in the first place. It is fixed. This can be done in one way only. Now how many positions are left here? There are 4 positions are left. How many positions are left? 4 positions. And next, how many letters are remaining? There are 7 letters. 7 letters, okay, 4 blanks. How many ways could I fill this one? Using formula, first select here. That is 7C4 into these 4 letters arranging how many ways? 4 factorial ways. So this is nothing but 7P4 also correct. Okay. So since the 5-letter words, begin with C. Since the 5-letter words begin with C. Okay. So that means here you must fill C in the first place. Begin with C. Now there are how many are there? There are 4 positions. There are 4 positions after C. Now there are 4 positions after C. The number of arrangements, then the number of arrangements taking 4 at a time, okay no? Taking these lady. Then the number of arrangements taking all at a time, or simply taking all, the number of arrangements taking all at a time. Taking all at a time is equal to, this can be written as 7C4 into 4 factorial. This is also nothing but 7p4. 7p4 only. So using permutation 7p4 according to definition, permutation definition, first selected and then arranging and then meaning multiplication. So this is the number of 5 letters begin with C. Okay, so first question this is. Next question is what? How many of them end with R? How many of them end with R? End with R model, see here. So take the 5 positions. So the last place we should fill with R only. Now before R, how many blanks are left? There are 4 blanks. How many letters are remained already? Out of A, one letter is fixed in the unity place. The number of letters are 7. So how many ways could I fill these 4 positions? That is 7p4 here also. Answer might be same. It is exactly similar that is. So you can begin with C, then end with R only. Now write the concept. Since the 5 letter words begin with end with R. Since the 5 letter words end with R. Now there are how many positions? Now there are 4 positions. Now there are 4 positions before it. Okay. Now then the number of arrangements taking all at a time. Then the number of arrangements taking at a time is, what is the answer? Actually 7c4 into 4 factorial. This is also nothing but 7p4 is the answer. Selection with arrangement. Last one. How many of them begin with C and end with R? Third one. So begin with C and end with R. So first place you should fill with C letter, and last place you must fill with R. Now how many positions are left here? How many numbers are fixed here? 2 letters are fixed. One is C letter in the first place and one is R is filled in the unity place. In between there are 3 positions are given. So already 2 out of A, 2 numbers are gone here. Now how many letters are remaining? 6 letters. How many positions are left? 3. So how many ways could I fill this one? 6c3 ways. So some people they call 6c3 into 3 factorial. Okay, both are same. Okay. Now we should write, since the 5 letter words, since the 5 letter words began with C and end with R. Okay, the 5 letter words begin with C and end with R. Now there are, how many are there? 3 positions. Now there are 3 positions. Now there are 3 positions in between them. In between them. Therefore, the number of arrangements equal to, therefore, the the number of arrangements, permutations. The number of arrangements is equal to how much? 63 into 3 factorial. This is also nothing but 6p3. So like we have to calculate 6p3 is. So this is the one model. Begin with C, end with on. Begin with C and end with on. So like we have the questions are there in exam. Okay. Consider, independent, so many words, whatever they are, how to find out. Firstly, the simple thing, count the number of letters in the word. Next question, how many, which letter word we have to form? 5 letter words. So we have to 5 letter words equal to, we can arrange it 8p 5 ways, npr. Out of 8, we have to fill 5 only. This is actually selected 5. And then arranging these 5 in 5 factorial ways, counting useful. Okay, this is the method to find this one. Next question, take the one more problem. Find the number of, next problem take 4 letter words. Find the number of next question number 2. Find the number of 4 letter words that can be formed using the letters of the word. Any word you can take. Article, article, A or T I C, or article, or this is repeated letters. Repetition is not there. You can take 4 letter words. Any word you can take. Find the number of 4 letter words that can be formed using the letters of the word. What word we can take here? Rose, R-O-S-E, rose. And also take the question, how many of them, how many of them, how many of them begin with vowel? Begin with vowels. So like the questions are asking, vowels, consonants, different begin with R. Okay, find the number of 4 letter words. So firstly, using permutation, already counting in school, this model questions completed. The number of letters in the word rose. How many are there here? The number of letters in the word rose is equal to 4 is there. Number of letters in the word rose equal to 4. The first question, find the number of arrangements taking 4 letters at a time. 4 letters at a time. So that is equal to what? Taking all at a time. So if you want fundamental principle also 1, 2, 3, 4. So this can be filled in how many ways? 4 ways, 3 ways, 2 ways, like this, using fundamental principle, nothing but 4 factorial ways. Okay, so taking at a time out of 4, this can be nothing but 4p4. This is nothing but what? 4 factorial ways. This is the first question. Second question, how many of them begin with vowels? So here, what are the vowels here? So begin with vowels are, how many are there? In which there are 2 vowels, O and E. So vowels only 2 are there. 2 are there. So here I am taking 4 positions. So here begin with which letter? Vowels. What are the vowels here? This can be done in. So vowels are only allowed vowels are O, E, A, E, I, O, U. O, E are the vowels. This can be done in two ways. Okay. So one of the letter has gone in this position. Now how many positions are left? 3 positions are left. How many letters are left here? 3 letters are left. So this can be done in 3p3 ways. 3p3 ways or 3 factorial ways. Since the 4 letter words begin with what? Vowels. Now there are how many positions? There are 3 positions. Now there are 3 positions. Okay, after vowel, that is enough. There are 3 positions. Then the number of arrangements taking all at a time. The number of arrangements taking all at a time is equal to 2 into. This can be written as how many ways? 3p3 ways. 3p3 ways is equal to what? 3 factorial ways. Hence, by the fundamental principle of multiplication. Number of ways is equal to. So how many ways? 2 into 3p3 ways. 2 into 3p3 ways. This is equal to 2 into 6. That is equal to 12 ways. So this is the question. This is the answer of this problem. Okay, number of letters begin with vowel. So almost all it is exactly similar. Okay. Now I am going to the little variety questions. Let us see next question right now. This is very simple problem. Now I am going to important questions. This is a very important for competitive point of view also. So let us take. So arrangement of people, next model. How to arrange the people here? Take the question. So very different type of questions. Third one. Find the number of ways. Find the number of ways to arrange find the number of ways to arrange 4 boys and 4 girls and 4 boys and 4 girls in a row. Such that the first condition, all 4 girls, boys or girls, whatever it is, all 4 girls are together. Second condition, all 4 girls do not together. Third one, okay, boys and girls sit alternately. Boys and girls are alternately. Sit alternately. Fourth one, no 2 boys are together. No 2 boys are together. So like variety questions are asking. Always you have to think variety here important. Okay, find the number of ways to arrange 4 boys and 4 girls in a row such that So these model questions very important. Mainly understand these questions. So here there are, how many boys are there? 4 boys. How many girls are there? 4 girls. Arrange 4 boys and 4 girls in a row. Okay. Arrange. Total here. Arrange 4 boys and 4 girls in a row. So actually total number of is equal to how many? Total number of arrangements 8 factorial base. Okay, this is okay, no problem. The first question is, all 4 girls are together. So here I am not giving more explanation. Just what is the concept of best approaching idea, directly we have to do. You keep in your mind, all of you, all 4 girls, remember all of you, all girls are together, all girls are together given. This word is there in the problem. Are together means we have to do it here. The best method, club them and treat as one unit always. Together, 4 girls, wherever they sit here, in between boys, among boys, they do not separate. 4 girls sit together always. Okay. So here, for example, here 4 girls are there. Okay, these 4 girls, okay, consider 4 girls as unit always, together, wherever they sit here. Okay. Actually, after that, how many there here? 4 girls, 1 unit means here, this is considered as a 1 unit. How many boys are there? 4 boys. 4 boys plus 1 unit. That is equal to total objects. How many now? 5 objects. 5 objects. How many ways could I arrange here? I can arrange in 5 factorial ways. That is equal to 120 arrangements. Can you arrange 4 girls? Okay, separately among themselves? Yes, we can arrange. So here, for example, see that here there are total how many arrangements are there? 120 arrangements. One of the arrangement I take here. One of the arrangement here, boy 1, boy 2, boy 3, 4 girls as 1 unit and boy 4. Okay, this is the one of the arrangement out of 120 arrangements. And here these 4 girls, could you arrange among themselves their position? Could you change their positions? We can change here. How do you get this one? Boy 1, boy 2, boy 3. Here G1, G2, G3, G4. No? Here again G1, G3, G4, G2 and boy 4. The positions of boy 1, boy 2, boy 3, positions of boys do not change. We are changing what? Girls. Like we have, how many ways could I arrange here? 4 factorial ways. Okay. Now by using fundamental principle of multiplication, this can be done in 4 factorial into 5 factorial. So whatever this the explanation is there, so leave it this one. You should do it always together word. Whatever their vowels are, consonants are, boys are, girls are, all together. All 4 girls are together. In this case, what to do always? Club them and treat as one unit. Every time you should follow this condition. No other thing. You can easily remember all together. Club them and treat as one unit. Remember this word every time. Okay, now I am going to the first question. Since, how to write in long way? Since all 4 girls, since all 4 girls are together, since all 4 girls are together, okay, in this case what to do? Consider, okay, these 4 girls, consider 4 girls as one unit. Okay, consider 4 girls as one unit. Always 4 girls as one unit. Consider 4 girls as one unit always. Club them on 3 dimensions. You tie them only. Tie of them by thread. Okay, so 4 girls as one unit. Now how many objects are there? Now there are, this is nothing but one box only. It appears one box plus other 4. So now there are how many? 4 boys plus 1 unit of girl. 1 unit of girl. That is equal to how many objects are there? That is equal to total 5 different objects. 5 different objects. How many ways can I arrange these 5 objects taking at a time? 5 factorials. Therefore, the number of arrangements taking all at a time. Taking all at a time is equal to what? 5 factorial ways. Okay, this is the condition for completed. But out of these 120 arrangements, so we can arrange 4 girls among themselves. But the 4 girls arrange among themselves. Arrange among themselves. Arrange among themselves is equal to 4 factorial ways. Okay, the 4 girls arrange among themselves equal to 4 factorial ways. Hence, by fundamental principle of multiplication, number of arrangements such that 4 girls, all 4 girls are together, all 4 girls are together is equal to 5 factorial into 4 factorial base. This is the question answer. Arrange 4 boys and 4 girls in here. The first question, all 4 girls are together. Together word is there. What to do? Club them and treat as one unit. So I club them here. Consider 4 girls as one unit. Not only like 4 eyes or 4 C's, whatever the any objects. Together word means here. Club them and treat as one unit. This is the rock symbol. So now there are 4 boys and 1 unit of girl. It appears totally 5. This can be arranged in 5 factorial ways. Okay. So the number of arrangement taking all at a time equal to 5 factorials. But in box, you need 4 girls are there. This can be arranged among themselves equal to 4 factorial. Hence, by using fundamental principle of multiplication, why? Because first we arrange boys and then girls also arranged. So that's why we should use multiplication rule. 5 factorial into 4 factorial base. This is the symbol. Now the second question. What is the second problem? The second problem is all 4 girls do not together. So 4 girls do not together means what to do? Not together. This not together means we have to subtract from the total. That is called do not together. Total minus together. Total minus together is equal to do not together. So this is very simple question. Second one. So remember all of you. Second problem, I can write here formula. Number of arrangements such that all is equal to total number of arrangements, total number of arrangements taking all at a time, all at a time, minus number of arrangements, number of arrangements such that all four girls are together. This is the formula, remember. Do not together. All do not together. All do not together equal to total minus together. Total is equal to how many ways could I arrange this one? I would have arranged in 5 factorial ways. 4 boys and 4 girls taking all at a time. 8 factorial. And do not together. Together already we have done the problem. 5 factorial into 4 factorial. Okay. This is the answer of the question. Number of arrangements. Okay. Do not together. Do not together equal to total minus together. Remember always. Girls are, boys are, vowels are, consonants are, leave it that is. Any objects. Do not together equal to total minus together. All do not together equal to total arrangements minus all together. That is the second bit answer. Next I am going to the third bit. Third bit is observing all of you. So what is the third bit? Boys and girls are alternatively. Since boys and girls are alternately. So boys and girls are alternately. Here, how many boys are given? How many girls are given? There are 4 boys and 4 girls. Okay. Suppose if I start with boy, if the row begin with a boy, what happen after that? If the row begin with a boy, so we get boy, girl, boy, girl, boy, girl, boy, girl. Clear? So 4 boys sit alternative means no 2 boys do not come together, no 2 girls come together. No 2 boys come together, no 2 girls come together meaning. There is any chance, other possibility? Yes. If the row start with girl, girl, boy, girl, boy, girl, boy, girl, boy. This is the another arrangement. Okay. So you observe what? The row may begin either with a boy or girl here. If the row begins with a boy, okay, all the odd places, these are called 1, 3, 5, 7. All the odd places are occupied by boys and even places occupied by girls. If the row begins with a girl, all the odd places occupied by girls and even places occupied by boys. Okay? So how many ways? The 4 boys are there. The 4 boys in 4 positions. How many ways could I fill? This can be arranged in 4 factorial ways. Into and 4 girls in 4 places, odd places, even places in 4 factorial ways. Is it similar this one? Yes. This is also similar to same one. 4 factorial into 4 factorial. Total number means what? What to do? Do I add or multiply? Add. Either first row or second row. So 2 times of 4 factorial whole square. This is the answer of this question. So these type of questions depends on the number only. Depends on the boys and the girls. Okay. So we write this question also. here, since boys and girls are alternative, the row may begin with the row may begin either with a boy or a girl. So there are, that is how many different ways? That is there are two different ways. That is two different ways. What are the two different ways? If the row begin with a boy, if the row began with a boy, okay, all the odd places occupied by boys and even places by girls. Okay, suppose if the row begin with a girl, if the row began with a girl, all the odd places are occupied by girls and even places by boys. So this is the condition. Remember all of them. When there are equal numbers given, this situation will come. Even places by boys. The four boys, okay, if the row began with a boy, the four boys the row began with a boy, the row began with a boy, the four boys in four places, in four odd places, in four places arranging four factorial ways, and four girls in four even places arranging four factorial ways. Hence, by the fundamental principle of multiplication, by the fundamental principle of multiplication, the number of arrangements begun with row begun with a boy is equal to 4 factorial into 4 factorial base. arrangements begin with a boy. Similarly, the number of arrangements row begin with a girl is equal to 4 factorial into 4 factorial ways. Okay, number of arrangements begin with a girl also 4 factorial into 4 factorial ways. Hence, the number of arrangements such that boys and girls are alternately is equal to 2 times 4 factorial into 4 factorial ways. So like we have to explain also. When this depends on the number only. If the row begin with a boy, number of arrangements equal to 4 factorial into 4 factorial ways. If the row begin with a girl, number of arrangements equal to 4 factorial into 4 factorial ways. Okay, next last question, fourth question. What is the fourth question here? Here also I will give the one small thing. No two given are together. This is the what is the meaning of no two boys or no two girls here question. No two girls or boys, whatever it is. Change the question. All girls only is here. No two girls are together. No two girls are together means here boys, two boys may come together mean. So girls, no, two girls may not come together. Side by side do not come girls. Side by side boys will come. So how many ways would I arrange this one? Okay. So remember, whenever there is, remember all of you, whenever there is these two words, no two are together. Very important model in CET point of view. No two are together. These words are there. Firstly, what to do here? Arrange others first. Others means what? Here we are speaking girls. Others means boys. Arrange others first and fill these gaps. This concept, remember, very easy to solve this question. Arrange others first and fill these gaps. Okay, shall I do this one? Take the fourth question. The fourth question is, so best approaching methods only I will give, not given more explanation here, no need. Just remember this concept. No two are together. Short things important here. Arrange others first and fill these gaps. So here what is the fourth bit? Since, write down notes. Since no two girls are together. No two girls are together. No two girls are together. Firstly, what to do? Firstly, arrange others. How many boys are there? 4 boys. So arrange 4 boys like this. So fix this boy 1, boy 2, boy 3, boy 4. How many ways could I arrange these 4 boys taking at a time? 4 factorial ways. So I am writing first sentence this one. Firstly, arrange 4 boys. Arrange 4 boys in a row. So the number of arrangements the number of arrangements taking all at a time. Taking all at a time is equal to 4 factorial base. Okay. Now, how many gaps are there? So, can you take a gap 1? This is gap 1, gap 2, gap 3. Only 3 gaps are there? No. It is also one of the gap and it is also one of the gap. How many gaps are there? Now, there are 5 gaps. Now, there are 5 gaps between them. Now there are 5 gaps. Okay, the number of ways to arrange, the number of ways to choose a number of ways, four girls. The number of ways, the 4 girls choose 5 gaps. How many ways? In 5p4 ways. 5p4 ways. So 5 gaps are there, 4 girls. How many ways they are choosing? 5p4 ways. Hence, by fundamental principle of multiplication, number of arrangements say such that no two girls are together is equal to 4 factorial into 5p4 base. So this is the no two girls, means no two girls side by side. Do not side by side. Okay, 2 boys make side by side possible here. So this is the model. This model practice all of you, then we can easily understand next 2 problems. First question. All 4 girls are together. All 4 girls are together means what to do? Club them and treat as one unit. All together. Words. It is very important. What to do here? Club them and treat as one unit. All 4 girls do not together. Do not together equal to total minus all together. Total minus all together. Next one. Boys and girls sit alternately. So in this case, depends on the number. So if the equal numbers are given, there are 2 possibilities. Both are the same. Boys and girls are equal numbers. We have the 2 possibilities. 2 different ways. Those are, if the row begin with a boy, okay, boys are occupying by odd places and girls are occupying even places. If the row begin with a girl, girls are occupying odd places and boys are occupying even places. This is the model. Next model, no 2 girls are together. These 2 words are very, very important. If this word is there, no 2 are together is there, we have to do firstly arrange others first. Arrange others means here other than girls. Other than girls, boys are there. Arrange 4 boys in a row. This can be done in 4 factorial ways. Okay, now we have to see count the number of gaps. How many gaps are observing? There are 5 gaps are there, including first place and ending place also. Beginning and ending should be considered. Now there are 5 gaps. How many ways these 5 gaps are choosing 4 girls? They are choosing 5p4 ways. So the total number of ways is equal to 4 factorial into 5p4 ways. So you should understand this is the main idea of the questions to solve the textbook problems. Depends on the number. If I increase the number here, 5 5 girls means here. Okay. Now boys and girls are alternatively. In this case, only one arrangement is there. Why? Because girls are more. So you must start with the girl only here. If you increase the one more number means here, so we cannot arrange that. It's not possible. So like the questions are asking in exam. So mainly this problem today you practice. You can understand more things. So once again you have to practice this one. Okay, tomorrow class we have to see the one more concept. Then we start the exercise problems. Okay.